In this video, we'll learn how to reset the Skykit Player to factory default settings. A factory reset can only be performed within physical proximity of the device, so you'll need access to the Skykit Player, including the remote control and screen, and you'll also need a paperclip. With the Skykit Player and the TV on, unplug the power cable from the device. Insert a paperclip within the AV port until the reset button depresses. Continue to hold the reset button down with the paperclip and reinsert the power cable. When the Skykit logo appears on screen, let go of the reset button and remove the paperclip from the port. A recovery menu will show on screen. Using the remote, select Wipe Data Factory Reset. On the next screen, select Yes with the remote to confirm the factory reset. The following screen will display as the data is being erased and formatted. Once the device has finished erasing, the recovery menu will show again. Select Reboot System Now with the remote. The screen will quickly indicate that a reboot is underway, then load the Skykit logo screen, then display the Edit Wi-Fi screen. From here, the initial steps to set up a Skykit Player device can be followed.